Hi, I'm Coach Cheryl from ShiftSetGo, and welcome to our cooking class today. Today we're going to do something simple that even your children can do. We're going to make tuna salad on our great brown bread. So I'm going to put on my glasses for the old ladies. And as far as our ingredients go, we have 4 ounces of protein, which is our tuna. We have 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of pickles, 2 tablespoons of celery, and you can stack these and get them out of your way. 2 tablespoons of red onion, or you can use green onion depending on if you want the red color or not. A little splash of salt and pepper, just for that extra pizzazz. And stir it all up, make it delicious. Like I said, even the kids can do this. And then they feel special because they're making something for mom or dad or their buddies when they come over to have a sleepover. So if you haven't had this brown bread yet, it is absolutely amazing. You look at it and you're going to think it's rye bread, but it's not. It's delicious. So I'm going to spread on the tuna, put on the lettuce. You can either make it a double-decker or you can make it a single open-faced sandwich for those clients that are on the FIT program. You could put cheese on top and melt it under the broiler and have a delicious sandwich. So here's the final product, the tuna salad on the brown bread with the lettuce. As I said, you can also do an open-faced sandwich with broiled cheese on top if you're on the FIT program. The brown bread is what you need to make this awesome sandwich. So I would like to get your comments on what you think about it, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.